This video is sponsored by AliExpress. What's up guys, Shane Stars here, and the AliExpress back to school event is almost here. It starts August 22nd and runs through August 26th. You're going to be able to save up to 70% on purchases. Not only will you be able to take advantage of highly discounted rates on quality products, but subscribers to this channel get additional benefits of using some coupon codes. You can save up to $30 on orders over $200. There's even exclusive benefits for first-time customers. Over 100,000 products can be purchased for as low as a penny if you're new to AliExpress. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the best carry-on tech deals that you can find during the AliExpress back to school event. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's take a look at one of the best deals that I could find during this event. That's the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box real quickly so you can see what all it comes with. First up, we've got a ultra quick guide. I like the play on words there with that quick guide. All right, next up we have the watch itself. We have the proprietary charge cable, and we've got the product safety information. So a few things really stand out about this watch. The first thing has to be the 1.4-inch dual display. So it has a smart display here, and one thing that you notice there, it went to that secondary display. That secondary display there can last 45 days. So you can get 45 days of battery life on essential mode. On essential mode, you'll still have access to your date and time and your step tracker, but this is going to last you for 45 days. You get 72 hours of battery life on smart mode, so you're still going to be able to get all of your notifications and all of that if you're on smart mode, and it still get incredible battery life. This is powered by the Snapdragon 4100 Wear platform, so you know it's going to be lightning fast. You don't have to worry about any lag with this watch, and it's going to hold up over time. That's a few things that I like about it. This is rugged, so it has military standard drop protection. It is water resistant, so no matter where you go, you're going to be able to carry this with you. This watch includes My Voice health tracking for 24-hour heart rate and stress monitoring, SpO2 tracking, step counting, 5-antenna GPS barometer, and even NFC for Google Pay. There are hundreds and hundreds of watch faces that you can choose from, so you're able to customize this watch to your liking. The other thing that I really like and enjoyed about this is you can choose the backlight to the essential mode, so there's all kind of customization options for that. I'm gonna go ahead and select the bluish green there. All right, and you can see that backlight color change. So I think that's a pretty cool feature as well. The usual cost for this watch is $420.56, so they're already giving you a 37% savings, but during the back to school event, you're actually going to be able to get this for as low as $214.28, plus you can use those additional coupons in the description below. So you're able to get one of the best Android Wear OS smartwatches out there at a very affordable price. Next up, we've got the Lenovo LivePods LP40 Pro. Let's go ahead and get these out of the box and see what all this comes with. Looks like we get our quick start guide and a user manual. We've got different sized earbuds as well for the perfect fit. This also comes with a USB-C charge cable. And then we've got, of course, our earbuds and our charging case. To get these connected, just take the earbuds out of the case and then select them from your Bluetooth list, and within seconds, you are paired to the Think Plus headphones. After having some time to test out these headphones, I was super impressed by the sound quality for the price. These are on mega deal right now at AliExpress, and for the price, these are super impressive earbuds. I get plenty of bass, plenty of mids, plenty of highs. A good, deep, rich sound is coming out of these headphones. These headphones are very comfortable to use. I'm able to use them for extended periods of time. These do feature Bluetooth 5.1, so connection with these is super stable. You don't have to worry about these losing connection. You can also use these independently of one another, so you can just use these one at a time or both together. I'm able to get about 3 to 4 hours of use on a single charge, and then the charging case provides another 3 or 4 charges. And then I do love the fact that this includes a USB-C charge port, so you can use the cables you already have, or of course you could use the included cable. So as you can see, these headphones are usually $42 to $81. They are 83% off. You're also able to get these as low as $4.22, which is just an insane deal for these headphones. Another thing you'll definitely want to stock up on is memory. So they have Sandisk memory cards and storage options that are on sale. One thing that's great about this, the storage is guaranteed to be genuine. So there are other places on the internet where you may be purchasing what you think is a 128 gigabyte card, but when you get it, you realize that it wasn't a genuine Sandisk card. Here you get genuine Sandisk cards. This is a great option if you are looking to expand the storage on your smartphone. Most smartphones these days come with a micro SD card slot. This is what's going to fit into your phone. This way you'll be able to store hours and hours of movies and music and documents, photos, and things like that. If you've ever had an issue where your phone gives you an error saying that you're running out of storage and it won't let you take a picture or download a new application, this is the way to solve that. You'll use this micro SD card to give your phone more storage so that you can download more games and store more photos and things like that. So you can see the usual price for these micro SD cards, depending on the storage size, it goes from 64 gigabytes all the way up to 1 terabyte. And the price is usually $24.59 for the 64 gigabyte all the way up to $464 for the 1 terabyte. The price on AliExpress is discounted up to 53%, $11.56 to $2.18, and then you get further discounts with the back to school savings. So the discounted rate $11.07 to $2.08. Plus you can use those exclusive discount codes in the description below. As I mentioned, this is a great time to stock up on storage and memory. They also have the Sandisk 128 gigabyte thumb drives on sale as well. This is great for adding storage to your PC or laptop. The great thing about this is you're going to be able to carry your important photos, documents, and things with you. This makes all of your data easy to carry around, makes it super portable. This also has a read-write speed of up to 150 megabytes per second. There again, you're guaranteed to get genuine Sandisk products when you order from this link. They have capacity from 32 gigabytes all the way up to 512 gigabytes. The normal cost is $10.55 to $145, and then you see the sale price for the event is only $475 to $65.48. Another thing that I did want to point out is to get a 4.8 rating so you know that these storage options are reliable. All right guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Be sure to head to the link in the description to take advantage of these AliExpress back to school savings, and also be sure to use our exclusive codes to get the best possible deal on your purchases. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.